Tired of spending forever chopping veggies, dealing with uneven cuts, or washing a mountain of kitchen tools? Well, today we're counting down the top 5 best vegetable choppers that will totally change the way you prep food. Whether you're after lightning-fast processing, precise control, or a compact solution for everyday meals, there's something here for every kitchen. So grab your cutting board. Actually, forget the cutting board. These choppers are about to do all the work for you. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, a real powerhouse for anyone who wants speed and versatility in the kitchen. With a generous 10-cup capacity, this machine is perfect for prepping large quantities at once, whether that's a huge salad, homemade salsa for a party, or onions for meal prep week. One standout feature is the bowl scraper attachment. If you've used a food processor before, you know how annoying it is to stop midway just to scrape down the sides. Here, the scraper moves food toward the blades as it processes, so everything gets evenly chopped without you lifting a finger. Its stainless steel blades are razor sharp and work beautifully for slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing. Plus, the 2-speed settings and pulse control give you flexibility, from silky hummus to chunky pico de gallo. It's also designed for easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe parts that make post-cooking cleanup painless. The only minor downside, it's not the quietest machine out there, but given how fast it works, you won't be hearing it for long. Number 4. Full Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Coming in at number 4, the Full Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper is the definition of kitchen efficiency packed into one compact unit. It's not just a chopper, it's a slicer, dicer, spiralizer, and even a juicer, giving you multiple cutting blades to tackle everything from onions and tomatoes to zucchinis and potatoes. This set includes interchangeable stainless steel blades that are sharp enough to handle even tough root vegetables, while the heavy-duty plastic frame holds everything firmly in place. The built-in container collects all your chopped produce, keeping your countertop neat and mess-free. What I love is that it's manual, which means no cords, no motors, and no bulky appliance taking up space. Plus, it's super easy to wash and store. If you're short on space but still want all the cutting options of a full-sized food processor, this is a game changer. Number 3. Mueller Ultra Heavy Duty Chopper. At number 3 is the Mueller Ultra Heavy Duty Chopper, built like a tank and designed for people who want both durability and performance. This model uses a pull cord mechanism to spin razor-sharp blades at high speed, making quick work of vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even cooked meats. The 2-cup capacity might sound small, but that's exactly what makes it great for small kitchens, RVs, or quick single meal prep. The pull handle is surprisingly smooth, so you don't have to put in a lot of effort to get perfectly chopped ingredients. And because it's manual, it's whisper quiet compared to electric processors. Mueller also made it incredibly easy to clean. The lid, blades, and bowl come apart quickly, and everything except the lid is dishwasher safe. It's the perfect blend of portability, speed, and toughness. Number 2. Ninja Professional Food Processor. Sliding into second place is the Ninja Professional Food Processor, a premium electric chopper that's all about power and precision. This model comes with a 1,000 peak watt motor, which makes chopping carrots, celery, cheese, or even dough a breeze. Its 9-cup processing bowl is big enough for family-sized recipes, and the quad blade design ensures even results no matter what you're making. You also get multiple preset programs, so instead of guessing how long to pulse, you just select chop, mix, or puree, and the Ninja does the rest. What's really impressive is how consistent it is. Whether you're dicing onions, shredding cabbage, or making a creamy dip, you get the same perfect texture every time. It's also designed with a wide chute to feed in whole vegetables, saving you time on pre-cutting. Number 1. Cuisinart Elemental 13-Cup Food Processor. And taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Elemental 13-Cup Food Processor, the ultimate all-rounder for serious home cooks. With a massive 13-cup capacity, it's perfect for everything from prepping veggies for stir-fries to kneading dough for fresh bread. Its 550-watt motor might not be the most powerful on paper, but it's engineered for efficiency, delivering smooth and even results every time. The stainless steel chopping and slicing discs are built to last, while the reversible shredding disc gives you flexibility for fine or coarse textures. Cuisinart's extra-wide feed tube means you can drop in whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. And cleaning is easy. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. The design is sleek, the build quality is rock solid, and it's surprisingly quiet for its size. And there you have it, the top 5 best vegetable choppers for every kind of kitchen. Whether you want a compact manual option or a high-powered electric processor, these tools can save you time, reduce prep hassle, and make cooking a lot more enjoyable. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more kitchen gadget roundups, and check the description for links to all the products we talked about today.